OTSI makes data eloquent and profitable. We work with our clients to support new growth strategies and drive new revenues to manage and distribute information from different systems, multiple databases, spreadsheets, and applications. Power BI allows us to create graphs that are entirely customizable to fit your needs at a corporate level, in several environments and for specific purposes, such as reports that can display total sales filtered by territory or time frame. Applying filters to have information related to products, sales, quantities, and territories just a click away. To learn more about our solutions, contact us at sales.cr@otsi-usa.com.